Hey folks, Bob Bottom Dollar Woller here from McLarty Ford. Hey, this is the second time we've talked about this, but we are sanitizing the vehicles before every test drive. So what happens is, they pull the vehicle up here, the gentleman gets out, he sanitizes the door handles, all the touch points on that vehicle before you, the customer, drives the car. That way we know we're spraying a special spray on here that kills the coronavirus. We keep everything clean and sanitized inside there. Then when you bring the vehicle back, we go ahead and sanitize it too. So then it goes back out on the line. So that's what we're doing right here. We're also spraying the dealership down every night. The whole dealership is sprayed down every night, sanitized. And then I have a porter coming in from 10 to 2, 4 hours a day, re-wiping everything down. So we are completely sanitized here. We don't have the coronavirus. We are definitely sanitized here. So one of the things that I also want to talk about is the first responders, the people out there that are fighting this war on the front lines to keep us safe. We appreciate you. Thank you for what you do. We really do appreciate it. That's everybody, all first responders, doctors, nurses. If you're stocking groceries at the grocery, that's important. We're working up here at Sam's. Those guys are working day in, day out, and they're doing that for us so we can eat, so we can stay safe. And McLarty Ford wants to thank you for that. So if you're one of those folks on the front line fighting this terrible war for us against this coronavirus pandemic, we want to say thank you to you. Pull your vehicle up here, your personal vehicle or your work vehicle up here, pull it up here, and we'd like to sanitize it for you for free. We've been doing this, we're really good at it. We got the spray that kills the coronavirus. Just say, hey, I'm a first responder. Saw Bob on Facebook. McLarty Ford's sanitizing vehicles for free. Excuse me, but bring your vehicle up here and we will sanitize your vehicle for free. Come see us today right here at McLarty Ford, where we are completely coronavirus free. Come see us today.